basura. Hindi na mo kasubuan. Ay, nag... Dito. Bye-bye. Pwede ba? Thank you. Ma'am, pwede na ngayon. So namin dire karon ni Mr. HJ, and I would like to thank him for suruying me in Cebu. I was just here right now. I'm so, first time here in Cebu in Vente, and he always letting me explore.